In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to accept crypto payments on Shopify. We're going to walk through this step by step, and by the end, you'll have a crypto payment option live on your store, specifically using USDC, which is a popular stablecoin. This can be a great way to reach more customers who prefer paying with cryptocurrency while still keeping things relatively stable and easy to manage. Start by opening your Shopify dashboard and logging into your store's admin area. This is the main control panel where you manage products, orders, and settings. Once you're in the dashboard, look to the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the settings option. This is where Shopify keeps all the configuration options for your store. Inside settings, find and select payments. The payments page is where you control how customers can pay you, including credit cards, wallets, and alternative methods like crypto. Give this page a second to load so you can see all of your current payment providers. Next, look for a button that says Add Payment Method and click on it. This opens a list of additional providers and methods that you can integrate with your store. In the search bar that appears, type USDC. This helps narrow down the options to providers that support that specific cryptocurrency. You'll now see USDC as an option in the results. Click on USDC to move forward. Shopify will then show you a list of crypto exchange providers that can process USDC payments for your store. These are third-party services that handle the crypto payment side and then connect back to Shopify. Choose the crypto exchange provider that you prefer by clicking on it. If you don't already have an account with any of the listed providers, that's completely fine. You'll be able to create an account during the installation process. After selecting your provider, click on Install. Shopify may show you a confirmation screen explaining what permissions the app or provider will have. Click on Install again to confirm and allow the integration. You'll then be redirected to the provider's dashboard or onboarding page. Here, you'll either sign into your existing account or create a new one. Follow the simple setup process they provide, which usually involves verifying your email, adding some business details, and connecting back to your Shopify store. Once you've completed that setup, your Shopify store will be ready to accept USDC crypto payments at checkout.